Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on your iPhone on iOS 26 in two different ways. So let's get started. So first way, let's go ahead and find the app here. So I'm going to go ahead and uninstall ESPN as an example. All I'm going to do is long press and hold until a menu like this pops up. The key here is long pressing and holding. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and click on a remove app. And then finally, delete app. And then it's going to ask me to confirm, and I'm going to hit confirm, and that's how simple and easy it is to uninstall an app right there and there. Now, another way that you might be doing it is if you can't find the app here, maybe you know it's installed, or you're on a list of apps, you can go into your setting, and then go to general. You're on iPhone storage, and that's going to list in this page all of the apps that are installed on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and uninstall app here. So I'm going to pick Tumblr, and then I'm going to click on delete app right here, and it's going to ask me to confirm, delete, and it'll go ahead and uninstall basically, which is the same thing as delete. And keep in mind, if you ever needed to reinstall the app, just simply go to the App Store and then browse or search for your app. For example, if I want to reinstall ESPN as an example, I can search it up and then click on that cloud icon, and it'll begin downloading and installing back on my iPhone. So that's how you go ahead and uninstall apps on your iPhone on iOS 26. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.